Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new video. Today's video is about teeth whitening. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but my smile is just a tad bit brighter. I'm going to show you guys the results here. I actually didn't really notice until yesterday when I posted a photo. Was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? I posted to Instagram and I was like, wow, like I didn't even go in and like color my teeth a little bit. I didn't have to do anything. It just looked really good. But yeah, I'm an avid coffee drinker. I love coffee. Some days I'll drink 2 and 3 cups of coffee. So I was definitely seeing the results. And when I began using this kit, you know, I do see a difference in my smile these days. So I will continue to use it, but I've only pretty much done 2 weeks and about 3 days because I did miss a couple of days because I went on a trip. Now I was sent this kit here to show you guys, so I can do a little brief demonstration. This actually goes for $149. That compares to going to the dentist and spending $650 plus. You know, I think I would prefer doing it myself, especially if I could get really good results. All it takes is your time and consistency, in all honesty. So we don't want to throw everything on the floor. Here we have our gels, our whitening gel, and our desensitizing gel. We have our base paste, our catalyst paste, and our trays. Now we have to follow these directions once we receive this kit, okay? So first steps, we're gonna lift that out. We have to fill out this little postcard here. With all of our information. Your postcard will have this cute little scanner thingy here. And then your little pink envelope will have the same exact little stamp on it. That's basically letting them know that these are your trays and this is your information so that you will receive your impressions. And guys, you want to make sure that you really look over those molds. Look over the actual teeth marks and make sure that everything looks perfect, because they're going to use that exact pattern to make your impressions. And if you guys know anything about impressions, then you know that you're really just popping them in your mouth so they fit to every single tooth. And if anything doesn't fit, then it's kind of getting in the way of your results, correct? Right. So after you really look over them, make sure everything is good. You want to let them sit for 30 minutes. Then you're going to rinse them under cool water. And I dried mine off. And I'll let them sit for the rest of the night. And the very next morning, I placed them inside of my little pink envelope here. I'd already filled out my postcard, so all I had to do was stick it in there with it, sealed it, mailed it. 1 to 2 weeks later, I received my impressions. They kind of favor Invisaligns. You just pop them in. I tried mine on because I've never had anything like this, because I've never used a teeth whitening system at all. And they fit perfect. So guys, when it's time for you to whiten your teeth, you want to make sure that you brush your teeth with water first, and then you want to make sure that you floss. And after, they say to dry your teeth off with a paper towel because it allows the gels to really stick to your actual teeth. Try to do this as late as you possibly can. That's my advice, because at that point you're not eating or drinking or doing anything that could possibly affect your results. You're going to grab one of your teeth whitening gels, and these are made with 22% carbamide peroxide concentration, and there's 1 syringe in here, and they said that this is good for 3 to 4 applications, but my tiny teeth, I was able to make this last for 7 applications. So 1 syringe lasted me 7 days. In the end, I started using just a tad bit more on them, you know, just kind of overflowing it a tad bit. But in the end, it ended up hurting me because my gums are sensitive. You have the option to wear these for 30 minutes to 3 hours. every single time I did 3 hours until I don't know, when I became more consistent, I began to experience a bit of discomfort. And then not long after I experienced the discomfort, I stopped using the desensitizing gel like I was supposed to, because it was like I was okay. And I felt like I really didn't need it if I wasn't experiencing any sensitivity, any issues with sensitivity. But I was actually told by the company that I should make sure that I use it after every application, because after you do your teeth whitening step, you're going to brush your teeth as normal, and then you have to go behind and pop your sensitizing gel on these and wear them for an additional 20 minutes. And me, I was lazy by that time. I'm like, I just want to go to bed. So I did about 3 or 4 days out of the whole entire time that I was doing it where I didn't use the desensitizing gel. But I'm going to tell you guys why it's important. Okay, so this is 5% potassium nitrate and 15% fluoride ion. And it says sustained release. This stuff actually does work if you're experiencing any type of discomfort. This definitely helps. My last day was kind of tough. That's why I said I took a little time off from it. I am going to pick up where I left off. But I think that my results are good for the amount of time that I did use it. But they said that this product not only helps with sensitivity due to the teeth whitening gel, but it also seals in everything. So if I'm using this product to whiten my teeth, then of course there's something that needs to be left on my teeth after the fact to really seal it in, and that's where this comes in. So I was told to make sure that I did this step no matter what. Not only for my own comfort, even when it wasn't noticeable, but to ensure that I got the best results. So I made sure after that I used it no matter what. And my results probably did get better, but I didn't exactly document it by the day. I took a few pictures because I like to be able to see huge differences. I think I have 3 photos that I'll be able to show you guys. My first one will be before, the next one will be like in the middle, and then the last one will be my actual results now. So what else can I tell you about the system? I feel like it's a great choice for at home. I've actually never tried to use any other teeth whitening systems. I've never used the strips. I've used like the toothpaste. That's about it. And I was actually supposed to get my teeth bleached. When I went to the dentist, I was supposed to get my tooth fixed, and that was something that I wanted to try. But if I'm able to do this from home and it costs a lot less, then I would definitely opt for this system instead. I'm not sure if you guys are in need of a teeth whitening. I would like to say that it was a great choice, and I'm glad that I was able to actually try it out. I had been looking into them, but I was looking at the ones with the laser, the light. I'm not really sure how those work, but I think that this one is a lot safer. Or it sounds a lot safer anyway. And also, if you're someone who has issues with really sticking to things, and sometimes you're on it, sometimes you're off of it, I would say that this could also work for you. You'll still see results. It's just that you would see better results if you were more consistent. You just make sure that you send off for your molds and you receive your impressions, and you just make sure that you're consistent and that you follow each direction step by step. And they do give you so many different brochures throughout your box. You'll have everything that you need to ensure that you're doing everything correctly, and you will see the results. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Besides the fact that I will be doing a giveaway. So if you are interested, make sure that you check that description box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.